Isa ka babae nagapangayo sang bulig kay man Trese pa lang nagbusong na. Subong di sa sais, nagabusong luwat siya. Pero antes natin pag-istoryahan niya ang problema. Siyempre, manamyawan na kita. Mga taga Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, may nga daw sa inyo. Tani, kamo naman ang sa mayo kimtaan. Kag madaming salamat sa inyo nga paglantaw. Napagpadayon nga pagsuporta sa ako ng mga videos. Halong gid kamo dira. Gani kung kamo ready na. Pongko, plastar pamate. Kaya kung pagbasahon ang iyang komentarista. I got pregnant in the age of 13 in my first baby. And now, I'm 16 years old now and pregnant again for my second baby. At least, I graduating my elementary. And I'm so proud of myself because I can stand off to my own footsteps. And my parents are here beside me and providing the needings on my baby. I want to encouraging all of you to be pregnant. I promise this is worth it. You can be happy when you are born and see your baby. I feel so lucky. And I just want to needing your help because the daddy of my baby is just a young soft boy and we are needing the help the people here on Facebook are to donating the pampers and milk and dressing for my baby girl. She is 3 years old now. Thank you and God bless you. Arlene May Matayo, 16, Imos, Cavite. Hashtag Batang Ina. Hashtag Blessing. Hashtag Feeling Lucky. Before I start, I just have one question. Why are you asking for help? Because when you spread your legs to your boyfriend, it was only you. And now you have problem. You want to share your problem too? I know, no. But I'm here to just give you some comments because you are needing some help. I cannot help. I can just give comments. Because you need 3 things. You said 3 things. Number 1, for the milk. You ask your husband because your husband is very good in milking. Just squeeze your titi, get the milk, feed your baby, don't be greedy. Number 2, you need pampers. If you can't afford the pampers, no need for the pampers. Just wipe the iget of your baby. Use lampin. If there's iget, go to the river and then wash it. Finish. Number 3, for the food, you can ask for the help of your honey because I know he's an expert in kali-kali your money. So instead of kali-kali your money, he can kali also kamuti. He can kali the kasaba. He can akyat the lubi. Plenty of foods already. If you have mud press, he can kali the kadupdup in the mud press. Many foods all around. Because to tell you honestly, you have problem, I have problem too. We have problem all together. Many problem. So my advice to you, I will face my problem and you look do your own problem too.